How to sign in OneDrive account in Windows. Open the OneDrive. Click on the search bar. Type in OneDrive. Look for the option OneDrive in the results. Click on the option Open. OneDrive will be opened. Click on the field of email address. Enter the email address with which you would like to log into the OneDrive. Click on the option Sign In. Wait for a while. Set up your OneDrive folder. Click on the option Next. You can see the folder over here. You can use this folder or choose the new folder. Click on the option of your choice. You can select the folders to be backed up. Toggle on the option for the folders you want to be protected. You can also do it later if you want. I'm just going to click on this option. I'll do it later. You can upgrade the OneDrive if you want. Click on the option Upgrade. Right now I'm not going to do it. Click on the option Next. Click on the option Next again. Again click on the option Next. Get the mobile app if you want. I'm not going to get it right now. Now the OneDrive is ready for you. Click on the option Open My OneDrive folder. Now after you do that, the OneDrive folder will be opened. You're officially signed in to the OneDrive account on the Windows. Like this, you can sign in to OneDrive on Windows. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.